back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. I know, I had this on another, stop, let it go. Okay, it's not about the look today. I know. As you can see from the title, I am going to be getting Unready. It's been a long time since I've done one. It's not really like my skincare routine. We're just gonna actually test out this Leafinity product. I love it. Look at the box. Oh my god. This Leafinity product, it is a makeup removing cleanser. And you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, I love to use a balm to take off my makeup. Specifically the Clinique Take the Day Away balm. So this might be a nice little alternative. That thing is expensive. This is not as expensive. I know. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna see how well it takes off my makeup, because a balm is just a lot easier. And I just hope maybe this can replace it, because I believe this has a pump. Y'all, we're gonna get into it. So if you're ready to get Unready with me, trying out this Leafinity cleanser, keep on watching. Let's get started. Here we go. So this product was sent to me. I was gifted this product. That doesn't mean you guys are gonna see. I can't lie about something like this. I can't. So what was sent to me was, if I believe so, yeah. So I have the makeup remover pad. This retails for $8. Has some thank you cards. What's going on here? I like the box. I really like the box that has a zipper. It says thank you. Alright, this is a cleansing oil. So it effortlessly removes makeup impurities without stripping the skin of natural moisture, leaving it feeling soft and silky. So this is supposed to be an all-in-one makeup remover cleanser. Personally, I'm only going to use it as a makeup remover. I am very particular about cleansers that I use, and I need salicylic acid because I have little breakouts, and I need my Clarisonic, so there's that. And I wouldn't dare take off a full face of makeup with my Clarisonic. Oh no. That brush head is too expensive. We have some eco-friendly packaging. So here it is. This is the Perfect Facial Cleansing Oil. Ooh, it's in plastic, y'all. I can't open nothing. So this retailed for $28. I don't remember how much the Clinique Take the Day Away balm is, but it is 150 milliliters, which means I think it's too much to go on a plane. In your carry-on, at least. I want to say that because I'm taking my makeup off, the lashes obviously off, septum out the way, hair pulled back, and the contacts are out, because I don't want anything on my contacts, whether they would have been my color contacts or my prescription contacts. So I'm kind of blind right now, and I'm struggling. You know, hopped up on iced coffee. Y'all, this is, as you can see, my face is already done. I want to make sure I had a full face of makeup on to try this product out, just to see how much it can really get off. And when I do my skincare routine and check my Clarisonic afterwards, I'll really get to see how much makeup it actually takes off. So I think that's good. Yes, I really like the packaging. It's nice, like fancy. Leafinity is a company based in China, so it did take about 3 weeks to get to me. But we're gonna see if that 3 weeks is worth it. Right here and right now. Oh, okay. So here's what it looks like. Ooh, it has camellia and jojoba, antioxidant plant oil that dissolves impurities deep into pores. So here's what it is. Is there like a separate pump? Because I need it. Okay, here we go. So there's an optional pump. I like that. I'm throwing the box. I'm sorry, you guys know. Because this is what I want. I like that there's an option. Some people don't want it, but I definitely need a pump. Like that was something that was a plus for me. The balm, I gotta scrape it out and do things. You know, I always want to do things. Ooh, and this it's protected. There's like a stopper in there. They weren't playing. Like, people think like when it comes from China, when products come from China, that it's not good quality, but that's not always the case. This is like, they came here to deliver. Oh, There's a stopper on here, I guess, in case you want to keep the other cap on. Oh, why did I do that? I need to pull this off to put the pump in. I really do like the option, because even if you keep the other cap on, it still has like a little stopper to filter how much you do get out of it. So that's cool. And here's the makeup remover. Oh, here's the makeup remover pad. Now you guys know I'm not really a big fan of these things. I haven't used one. I just feel like it's messy, and I just feel like if you use makeup frequently, this is not going to be like an everyday option. You have to wash it every single day, and I already have to wash my sponges and let that dry. It's a lot. So, how to use on the box that I had to pick up from the floor because I threw it. It says both your hands and face are dry before. Make sure your hands and face are dry before applying. I have makeup on. Place 3 to 5 pumps in the palm of your hands using your fingers, massaging and blending in circular motions. Rinse gently with warm water. Make sure to remove any residue from your face and hairline. Okay, so simple enough. That's it. But I want to know if I'm supposed to use it with the remover pad, or should I try the pad for my like eyeshadow? We're about to see. I'm about to look this up right now because I don't really know. Okay, so it says the perfect makeup remove pad can be used to remove makeup, sunscreen, impurities, and dirt. Okay, so it's best used with the face oil. Okay, so how do I do that? What do I do? Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. It says non-toxic and reusable up to 1,000 washes. Hand wash them daily with soap and water. See, that's what I'm saying, with hand washing daily. I kind of like to use cotton rounds to just toss it. It's cheap. But, okay. So, I guess I just use the cleanser and then swipe it off. So, what I'm going to do first is just do one side of my face. And we'll see how it takes off a full makeup look. So, I'm going to have to use my right hand. Alright, so let's get some pumps out. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, it's very like watery. It's not thick at all. Okay, I guess I'm gonna use 2 hands. Okay, so here goes nothing. Oh, it kind of smells good. Look at my hand. It smells pretty okay. Like it's a light jasmine-y scent. Let's just get the brow. Ooh, I probably got some in my hair, but I can deal with that a little later. Because I use a pomade for my brows, I want to make sure it really gets in there. I'm going to get the eyelid in a second. Oh, let's get half the lip too. I probably look crazy. Look how orange I am. Alright, so let's... Ooh. Okay. I'm just going to rub that in. And I do have on mascara, so we're going to see how that actually works. Oh, I'm hoping to get on my pretty purple shirt that my cousin got me. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead real quick and wash off my hands so I can go ahead and use that pad and show you guys. Well, I guess we'll find out how well it works. Alright, so I look crazy as hell. I look purple up here and gray, whatever. The only thing that's still there, pretty much, it looked like it did a really good job of like melting that makeup away. Especially because I had glitter. So that's a lot. It's just my waterline, which I'm just afraid to put an oil in there because I don't want to get no oil in my eye. So that's the only thing. But let's go ahead and use this makeup remover pad. Now, I've never used a makeup remover pad ever. I've never used a makeup eraser. This is a first for me, but they feel nice. I'm just afraid of them. So let's see. Let's start with the eye. Well, it's a little hard to see because there's staining from the pink. But let's go ahead. See, I feel like it's just kind of like rubbing everything around. So I don't know about that. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side and then kind of just like use the clean side to just try to wipe off whatever I can, I guess. and then we'll see how I feel about that. Because this way I just feel like it's kind of just rubbing it around. Now, I will say I do kind of like the smell. It has a faint smell. It's nothing too strong or overpowering, so that's fine with me. But I'm just going to go ahead and melt that away and keep wiping it off and see what happens. So my camera cut off. I don't really know what it cut off. I went ahead and added some more of the cleanser to do the other side. I really just did my face all over again. So now with the clean side of this pad, I'm going to go ahead and just I guess wipe up the rest of my face or all of it to see how much more I can get off. You can see the difference in both sides. So this is with the cleanser twice now, and this is the first go round. So let's see. Okay, so here's what my face looks like with just using the pad and the cleanser. It did a pretty good job, I won't lie now. For mascara and stuff, it's gonna be a little harder. I recommend using the oils, using the cleanser, and just going ahead with your fingers and kind of like massaging that mascara. Just and like kind of massage the mascara away. Any waterproof kind of makeup for my waterline, I just have to go in there with like I'm gonna go in with like a cotton round just to get in there, only because I do not really want the oil to get in my eye. But I'm gonna go ahead now off camera and just pretty much wash it off with just warm water and show you guys what it looks like. I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm not gonna go into my nighttime skincare routine. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it off and be right back to show you what it looks like. I'm also gonna go ahead and wash off this cloth just to see how well it washes. You are supposed to wash it by hand, so hopefully it doesn't leave a lot of staining since it's pretty fresh. And that's always my biggest concern. Like, I don't want it to look dirty, you know? You guys know. I'll be right back to show you what this cleanser do. Alright guys, so the cleanser is completely washed off. As you can see, my eyes, the pink is staining. It's just gonna take about a couple days for that to actually go away. The mascara is, I have to go back in and really get in there. So don't worry about the eyes and the waterline. That is going to be afterwards. But I will say my skin does feel pretty clean. Like, I was skeptical about just using this as a cleanser alone. I only went in with warm water. I did absolutely nothing else. I didn't scrub. I didn't use a lot, nothing. Just the warm water as directed. And I'm really, really surprised. For me though, I'm still gonna go on with my cleanser that has salicylic acid, only because it is what my skin needs, and I'm gonna go on with my in-depth skincare routine, which kind of changed again. I know, guys, it's just like I keep finding steps that really work for me, and honestly, my skin has been looking so good for months now. Like, y'all know, I had like hormonal breakouts, stress breakouts, but my skin has been like, you know what, girl? We got you, boo. We got you. And I've been loving it. So here's what my skin looks like. Now, for the makeup remover pad, look at it. It's actually really clean. So I'm really shocked about this because I just always felt like, I'm gonna have to wash it every day. It's gonna take forever. It's gonna get stained. Is the makeup really gonna come off of it if I have to hand wash it every day? But look at it. It is really clean. Now, I did notice, I'm sorry I didn't have like a camera to show you guys. It's just me, I don't have a headpiece or something. But as I was just running it under the water, the makeup was just coming off of it. I was really surprised. I did have a little issue, a little struggle around the edges. I did have to go in there and kind of scrub it because I did have some mascara on there. So that's the only thing, but it worked really well. So I'm not sure how long it'll take to dry, but you're gonna want to make sure it is completely dry before you go in and use it again. So keep that in mind. But I am actually really surprised at this, as well as the cleanser. It worked really well. I like it a lot. I'm gonna be using this a lot more, and I'm happy about it. So there is another makeup removing balm that I'm gonna use. This one, my skin feels nice, y'all. It just feels a little dry. So after this, of course, if you're not gonna go ahead with any other cleansers, go ahead, do your nighttime routine, add your moisturizers, your oils, your balm, everything. Go ahead and do that. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and just give my face another once over with my Clarisonic. I like a deep clean, and then going with all my moisturizers and things. But there is another skincare removing balm that I'm gonna try. It is by Juvia's Place, brand new. So that is going to be happening for you guys real soon. But I really enjoyed this. This is nice. Like the packaging, everything was just so good. I love that they have the option for the pump. And this thing, I love this because I am the one to accidentally hit it and it'll just make a mess. If you're traveling with this little thing right here, great if you don't want to keep removing with the other cap. So that's amazing. I really like this. If you guys want to try this product out, check the description box below. I'll put my affiliate link and a code for percentage off. Yes, I do get a little commission for that. So thank you for supporting your girl. They are in China. It is gonna take a little bit of time, but trust me, it is worth it. Like I really like it, and I'm really surprised. So thank you, Leafinity, for sending this to me. This was really good. Just in time too. Like I love it. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. Give it a big thumbs up for me. For more reviews, makeup tutorials, voiceovers, some vlogs. I'm gonna try to do more vlogs this year. Keep on watching and subscribe. You know. Hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew. So you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. And y'all better be following me on Instagram, okay? Stop it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.